So here's the bottom line on how to solve absolute value equations. You're going to get the absolute value by itself by removing everything that's being done to it. You're going to express it as two separate equations. You're going to set each equation equal to the positive of that number to the right and to the negative of that number to the right. And these two separate equations will be connected with the word or. You're then going to solve each equation, and you're then going to check both solutions in the original absolute value equation, making sure they both work. If, listen carefully, if one of your answers does not work, it's considered extraneous. E-X-T-R-A-N-E-O-U-S, extraneous. It's extra. It doesn't work. You cannot include it in your solution set. So let's demonstrate how this works. Okay? If I'm trying to solve the absolute value of x equals 8, then I'd show that by using the word or, and I would say whatever's inside this absolute value, I copy it, and I set it equal to the opposite of this number, so it's equal to negative 8. Or I copy the contents of this absolute value and set it equal to the number itself, the positive 8. If this was an expression that was like x plus 5 or 2x minus 7, then these two equations would require more steps to solve for x. But since this was just x by itself, we are done, and these are the solutions. Now, I said you had to plug it back in and check your answer. Is the absolute value of 8 equal to 8? Yes. Is the absolute value of negative 8 equal to 8? Yes. So they're going to work. But when you see this, watch what happens. There's nothing on the outside here. There's nothing to the right of this absolute value here, so it has... Class, you still with me? Yes. So, I'm going to use the word or. I'm going to copy what's inside the absolute value to the left.